Ang title nining akong awit mga higala o mga igsuon sa Facebook, ako gining yung God so love the world. Ang original nga nag-awit ni ang Hillsong, so ako ning pag-aawiton karon mga higala. So paminaw na to ang awit. For God so loved the world that He gave His only Son, and whosoever believes will not perish, they shall have eternal life. I shall come to the throne, I shall home to God alone, for His love has set me free, for His love has set me free. For God so loved the world that He gave His only Son, and whosoever believes will not perish, they shall have eternal life. I shall reign upon the Lord, I shall reign upon His word, and with grace I am relieved. By His grace I am received. For God so loved the world that He gave His only Son, and whosoever believes will not perish, they shall have eternal life. By His precious blood He has been set free, for the glory of Jesus' name. I surrender all now to Christ alone. In Jesus I'm saved. For God so loved the world that He gave His only Son, and whosoever believes will not perish, they shall have eternal life. They shall have eternal life. So katong awit nagahisgot sa paghigugma sa Dios sa kalibutan nga tungod niya na iyang gihatag ang iyang bugtong anak aron nga ang tanan nga muto kanya dili mamatay kun dili makabaton sa kinabuhing dayon. Mahinaut ko nga mensahe mong awit masabtan ka sa inyong kinabuhi ug doon na mo desisyon nga dawaton si Kristo ing Ginoo maluwas sa inyong mga kinabuhi. Daghang salamat.